Kia ora, my name's Marlene Sexton. I'm from Ngāti Hine, Te Aupōuri, Ngāi Takato and Ngāti Kahu. For the last 15 years I've actually been specialised in asthma management. It was just managing their asthma and making sure that they were able to keep well, knew what the signs and symptoms of when they were about to have an asthma attack, keeping their whānau well as well, and particularly our tamariki in the schools. No, I wouldn't change it. I love it. I love it. So I've been hospital, I've been overseas and worked in intensive care in Australia, in Perth, worked in orthopaedics, ran a couple of rest homes in Auckland and came back to our whānau up here in the far north. So my role today is the clinic site coordinator. So I'm like the team leader for Torongare, for Whangarei, just making sure that everything's just running smoothly and curly questions coming from whānau at the door. The staff know they can come and get me to go and talk to them. 3 words that jump to mind is Māori for Māori. We are here for you. Vaccination is the priority at the moment. We will come to you. If you need us, ring us and we will organise a team of 2 nurses to come to you to vaccinate. My mum was a nurse and she made me do it. Pretty much, at first I wasn't that keen, but yeah, I really wanted to be an air hostess, but I was too short.